Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am very excited because my Sephora haul came in. I had picked up some things during the sale. Truth be told, I may not be done shopping, but these were the immediate things that I wanted. So I put a little bit of my face on and I figured we would unbox and play with these products together. So if that sounds like fun, just keep watching. I picked up the Summer Friday Jet Lag Overnight Eye Serum. I was in Sephora, I asked for an anti-aging, nourishing eye cream, and this is what they recommended. Oh, I also said I don't love putting my finger in things. So we will see. They said that I could use this day and night, although looking online, it looks like there are two different versions. I'll keep you posted. I picked up a big Love the Lift mascara from the Sephora collection. I have my little one here to finish off my eye look, and I'm gonna save this for when I need it. But I thought it would be a great idea to pick it up at 30% off. I also picked up the Love the Lift mascara from Sephora collection in the waterproof version, and I'm sorry I'm gonna make you wait, but I'm gonna make you wait. My vacation's in June. I might play with it the week before, but I have faith that this one's going to do great. I have the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil. This is in the shade Graphite, I believe. We're going to test this out. I'm told that this will not transfer onto my bottom waterline. We'll see about that. I picked up the Sephora collection Boost and Lock 12-Hour Wear Eyeshadow Primer. Very excited. I've never tried an eyeshadow primer from Sephora collection. And the Sephora collection Contour Stick. This is in the shade Light to Medium. Sephora, where's the cream blush? I had a cream blush palette a little bit ago. They retired it. I'm waiting. This is new. I'm going to predict in the next 3 months we're going to have a cream blush, and I'll be right in line to purchase it. I picked up the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes The Neutrals. I couldn't help myself. I had to have it. We're going to play with this today. And the last thing I got was a fragrance. This is the Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar Travel Spray. Clara from Beauty is Ageless 55. Correct me if I'm wrong if you watch this video, friend. Was it you that said how much you love this fragrance? Keynotes are Black Currant, Peach Nectar, and White Musk. It smells clean. I like that. Totally missed my arm. Ooh, now I'm getting a little bit of a sweetness. Oh, I like it when it's layered like that. Can you see my necklace? Isn't that adorable? I got it on Amazon. I'm having a hard time clasping it with my false nails, so I would prefer to have it shorter. Don't they sell like magnets or something? If you have anything like that, for those of us that have struggles with the clasps, let me know in the comments. These are old, I think, Kate Spade earrings, and I thought they looked cute with the necklace. I'll start with the eyeshadow primer. 12-hour wear. I was a little bit concerned that it is a wand. The only wand eyeshadow primer I believe I've used was from ColourPop, and I hated it. This is what it looks like. Kind of clear. I'm gonna dip back in. Doesn't look like there's much on there, but maybe there's not much needed. Oh, it feels really silky. I can't tell if I have enough. I think it's not love at first sight. Right now I'm still preferring my Ulta because it has more coverage. I can see what's going on, and I don't think I love this applicator. But we'll keep trying it because there are way more things from Sephora collection that I love than that I don't love. Next, I'm gonna pull out this contour stick. Blendable cream to sculpt and define. Mine is light to medium. Ooh, it looks really pretty. Oh, it feels really silky. And yes, I like the texture. I'll use this brush from Morphe and Ariel. This is the A58. I'm still learning what brush to use with what in this collection. Ooh. Did I put too much? I don't know. I just colored my hair today, so I may have dye on my forehead. I love it. Very silky, blendable. Oh, so nice. I'm in love. Seems a little bit wobbly in there. That's making me a little bit nervous. So what that tells me is I'll just go like this and apply it in the future. But a little bit disappointing that the packaging is wobbly. But I am rough. I've admitted that before. A- for the wobbly packaging. Just adding a little bit of my LYS cream blush. And now let's get into this Master Mattes, the neutrals. I'll start with some swatches. They're just numbered. Ooh, that black. Pretty light, but good for blending. I'm excited. I'll start with my Rephr 14. I'm gonna go right here. And just take this into my crease. I've been wearing my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes Original for the past week. Just trying to remember, do I love it? Is it worth it to try? I've heard that the formula is better and different. It's possible. On first glance, this does feel a little less dry, maybe a little creamier. I'm loving the shade. I have found that neutral leaning cool is just a little more flattering, at least on my skin tone. Going full on gray can sometimes look a little unnatural on me. Next, I'll use my Beauty for Real blending brush, and I'll go into this pinker shade just to blend above. I'd love to hear your makeup styles. Let me know in the comments. Do you like bold colors? Are you more warm, more cool? I used to be very warm, and now I'm really finding myself drawn to the cool. Here is my MOTD No Fudge Just Schmudge. And I'm going to go into that original color. Just take it underneath. Maybe I'll go over here and go right underneath that just to soften and blur. It's the fun thing when all the shades are kind of close to each other. I actually like that. I think it makes for an easier blend. For the lid, I'm going to go here first, right next to that original shade. And I like to use my finger on the lid. I feel very nice. It's nice to get your fingers in the shadows as well, just to get that texture. I'll go into this one next. Clean finger. There is a mirror. Blend. Go into this shade right here. And just blend right here so that we have a smooth transition. I'm going to take this Essence Smoky Eyes brush. I got to get into this black. I just have to. Hopefully it's not a mistake. Looks nice. Just sort of stamping and then sort of pulling it up into the crease. That black has good pigment and it's not all over my face. Just pulling it up a little bit. Very nice. Next, I'm breaking into this Makeup Forever pencil. I have not spent high-end prices on a liner in a long time. I'm going to take this into my waterline. Very inky black. Pulling it up a little bit higher. Very nice. All right, I lost control and it got a little thicker than I wanted it to, but I do have to say it is really pretty. I love the velvety matte black shade that it is, and I will be paying attention to that waterline. I'll go ahead and add my Sephora Love the Lift on the top lashes and my Tartelette tubing on the bottom, and I'll be right back for my final thoughts. I'm back. I just love that mascara. I think I need a little bit of white in my inner corner. I know, big shock. I'm gonna take my Essence Smoky Eyes brush. This is a clean one. I have multiples of these. I'm gonna go into this brightest shade and just tap right in here. Maybe a little bit up here. And the liner is in my bottom waterline. Oh, that's disappointing. Now, I believe I heard someone say that once you wipe it out the first time, the liner is set, it won't move, so I'm not giving up hope. Let's wait a little bit longer. Throw on a little setting spray, one size. Final thoughts. The eyeshadow primer, not sure. It doesn't seem to pull out a lot of product, and the coverage seems to be very minimal. I will keep trying and I'll keep you posted. But so far, I'm liking the Ulta one better. Happy to have a big size of the Love the Lift, and I'll keep you posted on the waterproof one when it gets closer to my vacation. But love, love, love this mascara. The cream contour, immediate love. Little bit imperfect packaging, but I am also a very rough kind of gal, so don't push it up too much, don't be too rough. I mean, a little bit goes a long way. You see how so very creamy it is. The Clean Reserve, I like it. It's clean and it's sweet and it's not too heavy. We'll see how it lasts, but so far I'm happy to have it in my little travel perfume collection. I'm still looking for my signature scent, but I'm having fun looking. The liner is beautiful, but it disappointed me in that it transferred, and I'm looking now and it transferred again. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks for that. I do not know how I can have black on my upper waterline without having black on my lower waterline. And it's not even nice looking because it's a little more faded down there. So what that makes me want to do is go back in and just put the black all the way around, which can look harsh, which can look too much if you have a bold lip, or like my eye doctor says, it's not great for you. So I feel like it's a little bit of a compromise to have it in the top and not the bottom, but I tell you, I can't find one that doesn't transfer. The black inkiness of the liner is beautiful. I just don't want it to move. And the biggest winner is gonna be this one, this Master Matte's The Neutrals. I do really like this palette. Is it as good as my Patrick Ta? I'm not sure, but it is also $20 less, and it has more neutral tones. The Patrick Ta has the Row of Warm, the Row of Cool. It is a very close competition. This formula does seem creamier than the original Mario, so I do recommend this one over that one. I do think he did it better, which makes me happy. I had no issues with this eye look. I think it looks beautiful. I feel very 90s. Will I end up putting the liner in my bottom waterline? I, of course, will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Some may be affiliate links, so if you choose to shop through my links, I make a small commission, and I want to thank you for supporting me and my channel. I hope that this was helpful. I had some fun playing with my little haul. Am I done shopping? Probably not. Give me your suggestions in the comments. I would love to hear them. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.